Welcome to our channel, Gas Stack. Today, we're going to discuss how to replace the hood shock absorber on your car. Let's use the hood gas spring replacement on this Citroen model as an example. The first step is to remove the fixing screws of the bracket and then install the new triangular bracket. Align the holes of the new triangular bracket with the studs, then tighten the screws using a wrench. All of our products can be customized, whether gas springs, end fitting, or end fitting connectors. Gas springs are very easy to install, you just need to press down against the ball head. Our tripods are galvanized to provide a surface that protects against corrosion while enhancing wear resistance and aesthetics. Place a spacer on the 10mm ball stud and install it in this position. Please feel free to contact us if you would like to know more about the selection dimensions. Gas springs are very easy to install, you just need to press down against the ball head. In terms of delivery, we have a fast delivery time of 14 working days. And there are various shipping methods such as air and sea transportation, depending on your choice. Of course, the gas spring we produce are also competitive in terms of cost effectiveness. And, of course, how to buy this gas spring. First, let's Google thegasstack.com. Then click on Car Gas Strut in the application. Find the hood strut. This side provides details on the hood gas springs. Please click Contact Us, so our professional customer service team can contact you, answer all your questions, and help you complete the transaction. We will be uploading new videos continuously. Subscribe to see all our latest content. Dual display stand.